guys, welcome back to Top Notch TV. Today we will be bringing you your full gist and untold story about Hushpuppi. The biography, arrested, age, real name, income, controversies, shoes, cars, house, net worth. Hushpuppi does not like to keep his success hush hush. Nigerian socialite Hushpuppi is living a life of luxury that many of his followers can only dream about. His flamboyant lifestyle puts stars like Adesua Etomi, Banky W, and Genevieve Nnaji to shame. Hushpuppi boasts an Instagram following of 1.9 million October 2019 and is followed by A-list celebrities such as American singer-songwriter Erykah Badu. But who is Hushpuppi? We'll reveal all in his biography. Hushpuppi arrested again. The billionaire businessman alongside his equally wealthy friend Mr. Woodbury were reportedly ambushed and arrested in Dubai over allegations that they have committed large-scale fraud. The news broke on Twitter along with a video which went viral showing a fleet of police cars supposedly surrounding the home of Hushpuppi in the UAE where he resides. According to reports, which remain sketchy, Hushpuppi and Woodbury were allegedly involved in a multi-million-dollar US fraud scheme targeting the unemployment insurance system. Another report claimed the pair had scammed the US government out of millions of dollars over deals to sell ventilators used to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. So what really happened that led to Hushpuppi and his friends getting arrested? Hushpuppi and his friends flew to Dubai to pick money, a total of $35 million for some Nigerian scammers. When they got to Dubai, they told the scammers back home that there was only $5 million available. To make matters worse, out of the $5 million they sent only $1 million home. With this, the scammers were infuriated, leading them to leak all evidence to the Interpol and the FBI connecting the operation to Hushpuppi and his friends. Hushpuppi's age. Hushpuppi was born in Lagos, Nigeria. He has not publicly revealed his age, but is believed to be in his 30s. Several publications claimed Hushpuppi was born on June 14, 1988, which would make him 31, 2019, but it seems his date of birth is actually October. Hushpuppi took to Instagram on October 11, 2019 to wish himself a happy birthday. He wrote, "As I turn a year older into my 30s today, I want to celebrate all of you out there who have been through the years, been very supportive in any form to me. Those of you who mostly I have never met, spoken to or anything, but have been a strong supporter of me through every situation until this point and still riding for me. I want you to know wherever you are that I celebrate and appreciate you today. Today is our day." Hushpuppi's birthday celebrations usually do not reveal anything that would confirm his age. Hushpuppi's real name. Hushpuppi's real name is Raymond Igbalodeli. He is also known as Ajapuppi and Ajafor. Close family and friends call him Ray. How does Hushpuppi make money? While Hushpuppi describes himself as a real estate developer, he has not fully disclosed how he makes money to afford his posh lifestyle. He once joked that he is a beggar by profession. The source of Hushpuppi's wealth is a bit of mystery, but many believe he has invested in property and other lucrative businesses. Hushpuppi comes from a humble beginning. His father is reportedly a taxi driver, while his mother is said to be a baker who makes bread. The socialite became famous based on the pictures and videos he shared on Instagram and Snapchat. Many were mesmerized by his wealth. He often flaunts his Gucci clothes, private jets, luxury cars, and expensive trips all over the world on his social media page. Despite his riches, Hushpuppi describes himself as a humble man. So every young black kid out there, what you get in life is up to you. The hard work you put in, the passion, the love for what you do, respect people, be humble to people, show love to people, be kind. That takes you far in life, he said in an Instagram video. Hushpuppi's arrest. Hushpuppi's haters were convinced that he made money illegally. Some have even predicted he will soon be arrested by Interpol for his alleged dodging dealings. Hushpuppi has said time and time again that he makes his money through hard work and determination. Despite this, some social media users believe it won't be long before officials come knocking on his door, especially following the arrest of his friend Ismailia Mustafa. The Economic and Crime Financial Commission (EFCC) reportedly arrested Ismailia at Lagos Murtala Mohammed International Airport in October 2019. The Mumfa Bureau de Change CEO was nabbed just before departing Nigeria. He was headed to Dubai, where he is based. Hushpuppi shared a cryptic message on Instagram following Ismailia's arrest. Some people are eagerly waiting for that sad news about you. May they wait until they perish, the message read. Hushpuppi's controversies. Human rights activist Deji Adeyonju made headlines in 2018 when he demanded that the EFCC investigate Hushpuppi. He accused Hushpuppi of being a Yahoo boy, a term given to men who carried out online crimes such as the famous 419 scam. I wanted to commend EFCC for this good job. More work needs to be done in this regard. There are more Yahoo boys in Abuja, and another reminder, there is this guy called Hushpuppi or something like that. Look into it. Deji tweeted after police arrested 57 alleged Yahoo boys at clubs in Ikoyi.
When you are coming to this debate, please be well prepared to answer some very good questions that I have for you, and you have to explain to me personally, why is it that my elder sister, the one I was immediately born after, had to die of just typhoid in Nigeria, in Gagada General Hospital? Why did my sister have to die? Because my parents didn't have enough money. Why did she have to die? Because they didn't attend to her quick in the hospital. You have to answer these questions that give me pains that I go through all the time, every day in my life. You have to be able to tell me why my parents have to suffer so much and they can't be proud of 1,000 naira to hold. Since you proclaim that you fight for the people, then why don't we take this debate to the people? This debate should hold within Oyingbo Market, Idumota Market, Yaba Market, which is close to the mad people's home where you belong, because my mom has told me this morning, Ogba were tosie, wa ba won lo gba logba were, o ma run ense lo sogba were, iwo ma worry, ija yo n se ja kekere. You went online to call me names, defaming my character, my personality. You will pay for these things. You don't know anything. This thing you are starting, it will not finish. You won't be able to look at this film. You understand? And when you are coming to this debate, please be well prepared to answer some. I have a message for Deji Adeyonju, who is inviting me to a debate. Yes, I accept your debate challenge. First, you have to know, to invite me to Nigeria, it comes with a cost. Just like other people who have been inviting me for appearance in so many different countries worldwide, it comes with a cost, which you have to discuss with me. If you want to see me, I don't care about you. You have to realize it comes with a first-class ticket, 5-star hotel, on-ground security, since country is not safe. It's well known for kidnapping people and all these things. You have to provide me with my meals. I have my own preferences. You know the kind of food I eat. Also, I want to make mention, if you are fighting for the people, these debates have to hold. Since you proclaim that you fight for the people, your face first now. But yes, I don't accept. And inside the rules of the debate, me and you guys fight. The guys leave us, more fight one-on-one. Me and you guys beat ourselves. The guys give us chance. Me and you. No be laughing matter with this, so I serious. All the suffer when my mama don't suffer, everything. I just put on for this guy, but me I just press and me I touch him. They let me touch the guy small. So you understand? He go, oh no, you go no. Who won't kill you first, me? Why you dey laugh like that? They talk the same way they pay me, they laugh. Now, suppose use my story, do documentary to give people hope. And I look, say, no, people not supposed to get hope. People not deserve hope. People not suffer that much they used to. Adeyonju and others. And I look, say, now wait, say I deserve. suffer. What of people in Badagry, people in Agege, people in Epaja? Enjoyment reach their side. What about people where they are in states? Not for once I don't watch news. I don't hear say one development reach Ebonyi, Nasarawa, all those kind of places. They no be Nigerians. They no deserve enjoyment. Una can't sit down, look say meat where they chop for abroad. Now in they affect Nigeria. Now I make Nigeria no good. I no deserve to chop meat. I no deserve to wear better clothes. I no deserve to look like human being. You can't look finish. You say make me and you do debate. And I don't accept. I don't accept. First, you guys pay me the charges for me to come. You guys do everything because I be social media influencer that they pay me. If you want to go look YouTube, go look countries where they don't pay me to come host parties, events. You say you don't know my source of income. I just pay. I suffer so much, and you know enjoy one enjoyment from the government till today. One single enjoyment my papa no dey enjoy. Buhari guys explain to my papa why my papa guys got using hand bury your own pikin, bury your own second wife. We die. They die. My sister die. He died throw away. If not today, you nothing say that thing do my sister. Nothing say he go die. When money don't dey now, nothing say he go die. You know how many families they go through so many things like that. Do you know how many families are suffering different kind of pain within their hearts because of negligence of the government? Because the government don't cater for them. If they talk, they go say Nigeria don't they look, see people for Lekki, they don't they do this, they don't they pass to gates. And now go they use stupid things. They qualify Nigeria, say don't they enjoy. He never dey equilibrium to the suffer where I don't suffer. I don't suffer for decades. I never enjoy reach 5 years safe. So now they look say no, they're supposed to bring me back to come suffer. Say this no, now I must suffer. I dey yanju. Yeah, for work be ẹ̀sìn. Wà tẹ́. No fight. You guys understand say this thing where you want start, you don't know where it go lead to. From now, they Adeyanju, we the people of Nigeria, we the masses, we demand say make you stop to the fight for us because you are clearly not fighting for us. If you want debate, you need to arrange debate between my papa and Buhari. Make them sit down, make them talk. Make Buhari need to explain to my papa where my papa guys suffer so much. And you know enjoy one enjoyment. I no deserve no strength. As my papa tell us who reach. My papa also pass Buhari. My papa also pass Obasanjo in children. All in children. Now even only me. Now in get. And when I look say only that me I suppose suffer. I no deserve enjoyment. Tell me Buhari children they no deserve enjoyment reach us. I swear. Buhari children. They no deserve enjoyments reach us because if they look how person they also reach. My papa also pass Buhari. My mama suffer pass Buhari wife. We being children, we suppose they fly private jets. But we no fly private jets. I suffer. Okada don't jam me so many times. Moto don't jam me for the same Nigeria. I don't nearly die. I can't escape. I can't escape on our country. Just few years now, I don't they enjoy. This enjoyment never even mature. Just this small enjoyment where they enjoy. He never dey equilibrium to the suffer so much, and they can't be proud of 1,000 naira that has been given to them by the federal government. My mother is from the Niger Delta part of Nigeria, where Nigeria's oil come from. She has never benefited. My mother is from the Niger Delta. She has never benefited $1 from the Niger Delta, the oil producing part of Nigeria where she comes from. $1, and she's over 60 years old. In my whole generation, my papa, now only me see escape poverty small. Only me for our whole generation. When I won't come climb that same me, say no, I suppose suffer. Only that me, where escape, where they chop no straight. When I look at no deserve no strength. As my papa tell us reach, my papa also pass Buhari.
Despite the rumor and controversies associated with his name, Hushpuppi continues to remain positive. Hushpuppi's shoes. Hushpuppi is often confused with the American shoe brand Hushpuppies. The company makes casual footwear for men, women, and children. While Hushpuppi loves to splash out on shoes, he has no connection to the company. In fact, we doubt he owns a pair of Hushpuppis. He is more of a Gucci man. Hushpuppi's car. Hushpuppi has taken pictures with several cars over the past few years, including a Rolls-Royce, Range Rover, Lamborghini, and Ferrari. But it is unclear whether he owns all of the cars or if he just poses next to them during his travels. He reportedly bought himself a new red Ferrari in August 2019, 1 year after he was seen posing with a white Lamborghini. The Ferrari was allegedly a limited edition with only 10 available in the world. It's a Rari Baby limited edition 1 out of 10. Hashtag my new baby. Hashtag Ferrari. Hashtag number 4. It captioned the post, which has since been deleted. Hushpuppi's house. Hushpuppi has reportedly rented luxury houses in Thailand and Dubai. He once revealed that he paid 24 million naira, around $66 to rent an apartment. It's unclear if Hushpuppi owns any of the homes he lives in. Hushpuppi's net worth. Hushpuppi's exact net worth is unknown, but judging by the expensive purchases he flaunts on Instagram, he's likely worth hundreds of millions of naira. Aside from being a self-proclaimed real estate developer, Hushpuppi is also a social media influencer who gets paid thousands of dollars to host exclusive parties around the world. Some reports claim Hushpuppi is worth $20 million. That's all we can take today on the news. I hope you had a great time listening. Have a wonderful day ahead.